guys, our Better Than Black Friday sale is here, and I'm super excited to share all the new products with you in one video. So I hope you enjoyed the sneak peeks. I have some card samples, and I'm going to share some paper pads that I just restocked in time for the sale. So choose your savings level. I have the link in the description box to my email. You can open that up and read all the savings levels and read it with all the photos and stuff like that. I'm going to share your free with 60. So this cute little stamp set will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. So once you reach $60 after your discount, you can grab this stamp set for free. It's also available for purchase. Use code BETTER10 for 10% off. But if you spend $60 after all discounts, you'll receive the free Purrs and Cocoa stamp set, and you can use the coupon code BETTER10. To unlock 15% off plus free shipping and the Purrs and Cocoa stamp set, spend $75 after all discounts and use the code BETTER15. And if you'd like to unlock 20% off, free shipping, the free Purrs and Cocoa stamp set, spend $150 and use code BETTER20. So those are your options, and I'll have that in the description box for your reference. So let's take a look at the new products. We have this gorgeous new card front pack. It comes with 12 different designs, 2 of each. You get 24 in here, and bonus sentiments are included on the back. So you can just trim these away and make some quick, easy holiday cards. No stress, have fun while you're doing it. Here are 3 samples that I've done. So if you want to go back and check out how I put these together. So I thought they turned out super, super cute. This one I did add the Warm Winter Friends ephemera to the page that just has a scene with no character. We've got the Rejoice 6x6 paper pad, and there is a Rejoice 6x6 stamp set designed by Teresa, Creatively Faithful. And this is a beautiful stamp set. It is running low. We did have our early access shoppers shop yesterday, so some items are running low. So shop early for the best selection. This stamp set goes really lovely with this paper pad. Let me share the cards that I did. There's some images in this paper pad that you can cut out. There's actually 2 sets, 2 pages that you can use for ephemera. Here's the other one. And you get 4 of each, so you're going to have plenty of images. It's gorgeous. And let me share my cards. So I've got 4 card samples. I love how they turned out. They turned out so beautiful. So the nice large sentiments are on here. I think they look great. Christmas begins with Christ. True story. Rejoice. Those fonts are so pretty. We have the gingerbread ornament dies, so there's 3 of them. The samples are on the back here. These were designed by Stacy Tiedemann. Artwork by My Whimsical Inklings. Super cute, fun. You can have these as ornaments, put them on a card, or make tags with them. So I made some Christmas tags or ornaments, however you want to use this. Here's the super cute little guy. And what I did is I sandwiched the top head in between 2 layers of the cup. So that's how I did that. This one's holding the rolling pin, and you can write a little to and then the recipient on there, and this could be a little tag. And then this one I added some wire and created a little ornament. This little tag that's hanging off of there is super cute, and it's got a sentiment cookies. So those are really fun. Also check out the daily deal. We have a daily deal. You'll find that on a desktop. I don't think it's visible on your mobile unless you click the link from the email. You can get to it. Yesterday's daily deal was this Latte's Cocoa and Cookies paper pad. Check to see what today's daily deal is. It's usually a great price and it only lasts for 24 hours. I used this paper pad here to create these two super cute cards using your incentive stamp. So I just curved my sentiment here, wishing you a day full of comfort and joy, and then created a cute little cluster there in the white space. Two little flags from our Easy Wonder dies, and then the elements from here are also from the Easy Wonder dies. And then I put this on a banner, wishing you a perfectly sweet holiday. Topped it off with some enamel dots, and it turned out super fun. So let's take a look at all of the papers that I just restocked. Okay, so we have Fall Sunshine. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous paper pad. We've got Peppermint Latte. Love the colors on there. Autumn Vibes, super cute. It's Gingerbread Time, perfect for the holidays. We've got pink and beige. Me Plus You, it's a beautiful paper pad for Valentine's Day. Coffee on My Mind is restocked. This goes beautiful with the coffee gnomes. So these are the coffee gnomes. I created these cards with the Coffee on My Mind paper pad. Life Begins After Coffee. These are done with that paper pad. So cute with those coffee gnomes. Christmas in Gold. So I used this for that one, and these are the hot cocoa gnomes. Those are so sweet as well. Pink Christmas. I did this super cute one with the hot cocoa gnomes, and then the Pink Christmas has coordinating ephemera, and that ephemera is almost sold out. So when that does sell out, it will be gone for good. So whatever's left, hopefully you can get your hands on one, and it goes perfect with this Pink Christmas paper pad. Deck the Halls is back. I did this one using that paper pad. So that's the hot cocoa gnomes. We've got Christmas Time, and I did this one using that paper pad. This gorgeous sheet right there. And then I think the scallop was from the Pink Christmas. If you want more coffee papers, these are now listed individually. These are from the Coffee Latte Art Bundle. That's no longer available, but now I've listed the paper pads individually. So we've got Cafe Latte and the Cream to My Coffee. This one's back, Pumpkin Spice Season, one of my favorite paper pads of all times. I just love it. I know people have been waiting for this one. Somebody Loves Me. So it's got really cute bunny rabbits, perfect for Valentine's Day. Winter Blues, super pretty, beautiful for winter. There's some cutouts in here. So there's a nice sheet that you can use for ephemera to create some focal points. Sunflower Fields, this is gorgeous. Fall Forest Friends, and Gnome Sweet Gnome. And this Gnome Sweet Gnome is a new version of the older version that we came out with a while back. Teresa added some images in here so you can have some cute gnome images for your cards. Let's see, let me find those gnomes. So we've got some gnomes and some cute winter images. So the link to the shop and the email newsletter link will be in the description box for you. Happy shopping, guys. Thanks so much for supporting my small business. I really do appreciate you guys, and I will see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.